why I love these cars. Man.
Yes, the emotion is second to none. It's fantastic. For this year, I decided to add some more secure measures in form of a duct tape because, well, when the GoPros fall off, sometimes it's inconvenient, not only for the content, but also for the fact that it might end up in the footwell. So some driver expense is going to, content creation expense is going to be rolls of duct tape for this year. We have, for today, a C63 AMG with rebuilt top engine, but still stock, right?
Yeah.
So
stage 1.
Stage 1. So that means in power numbers
507.
507. Oh, it's like BMW M5 E60 almost.
507 edition.
Yeah.
A little bit cheaper.
All right. We are on new but stock brakes and Sport Contact 7s. And actually, last year I had many experience with them, and it was very, very favorable. So enjoyed that a lot. Other than that, stock car, right?
It's 275 instead of 255 and 245 instead of 235.
Okay.
So the fattest tire I can fit on 8 and 9J.
No, yeah, I can see that.
A little bit extra.
How the tire is sticking out.
The tire fitter enjoyed it a lot.
Well, let's see how that handles. I think, well, for now, I appreciate it. I don't know how it's going to handle, but for now, I appreciate that it's not the other way around. When usually people are like doing some stretch tires on track.
My old man.
Yeah.
He won't let me do that.
All right, well, let's hop in and do a lap. Alrighty, we are almost at the track. And just a reminder from this year on, I have been asked for my dear passengers and guests to buy their own lap tickets on the app of a Nürburgring. So if you're also planning on coming to the ring yourself, that's what you need to do. Yay! Easy as that. Fantastic. I think they installed new scanners last year or so, because before that it was very awkward. Quite often it wouldn't work. But now, I think you have just won an award of being the fastest scanner.
Works perfect.
So
brightness on maximum. Seems to work.
Yeah, I need to put it on manual mode, I guess. Yeah. Alright, so traction off, manual. What does it want? Check tires, yeah, because we dropped the pressure a bit. Got it?
Got it. Fucking driver, man. You know, Misha. Oh boy. Don't worry about oil temperature. Seriously.
So far, I like it.
Feels strong. I wanted to make sure it was right for you, Misha. Like,
Very good job. Ooh, it's yellow. Sorry. Oh well. Yellow flag means we can do a quick verdict. So in the past, I've driven 2 of these, plus a black series. One of them had the issue that whenever we came off the curb, the car would die for whatever reason. So this time we hit the curb also quite hard. The car survived. So it's a good job.
so you did a good job.
So yeah, and the other one was a bit like in the wet. It had also actually, oh, I forgot that this one has a oh wow, they like someone went off here, nice.
So not locking differential, but torsion diff.
Yeah. The guys are safe, I guess. They're good.
They just
no, here they're. Ooh.
Oh dear. How he manages that?
No, but he's still okay. He didn't hit anything. Wow. Wow, good job.
I've heard about the horrible curb here now.
Yeah, we need to
I tried it earlier and it was disgusting.
You should not try it.
No. Oh. You're an animal, Misha. You know, this bit always makes my head dizzy. You feel it?
I
Not
guess
anymore.
I'm kind of used
Not
to it,
anymore.
yeah. There's lots of oil spill on the exit, unfortunately, because of the people who have shut their oil pan yesterday on the new curb.
It's like you're doing ballet with the car.
But yeah, that's the.
It's quick, but it's very controlled.
Again, another yellow. I guess it's going to be one of those days.
Yeah, it's been like that all morning.
Sad. But the track is a dream. I love it. I love being back at it. In case this video gets published a bit later in the year for whatever reason, today is the second day that the track is open. This is my 5th lap of the year, so I'm still getting used to the track, the changes, taking it smoothly through Foxhole, getting used to right-hand drive cars because it's been like 5 months for
Is
me
it
or
that
so.
different? Yeah.
Actually not. I mean, because I think I'm doing quite an okay job.
Well, hitting the apex is a little bit.
In some corners it's even better because you seeing it
On the right hand side is
much better.
yeah.
So yeah. So I guess here is the incident. Yeah.
This is why I love these cars. Wow.
Yes, the emotion is second to none. It's fantastic.
No. A45 before this, and you could feel the turbo, but this is just.
It's unbeatable.
It's like a bear. Beautiful. Oh wow.
And everything works nicely. The tires, the brakes.
Game over. Left you.
Главное, чтобы не для нас.
Бывает.
It's already 3 bar on the front, so it's.
Brakes still there?
Yeah.
They are Brembo.
That's good. Yeah, I'm
Well,
trying not to use them too much.
Yeah, they're still not RSL 29.
Yeah. Good one. Love it. Have them on a race car as well.
Yeah. I think for that, I might go for bigger rotors and then RSL 29. Beautiful, Misha. Ah, beautiful. Mate. There's watching it on video and then in real life. Mate.
Is good, yeah, the car is good.
Spent like a year getting it ready.
Alright.
So not overnight, but I really did want to make sure it was right.
And you did very right.
It's got 90,000 miles, but
crazy. I mean, you rebuilt the engine, you can.
Well, top end, yeah. Everything. The ports, injectors new, plugs new. Every gasket replaced, PCB. can't do this.
I take it as a compliment.
And this has to be a list of things you have to do in Germany.
Oh, absolutely. I think Nürburgring has been voted number 5 by all the tourists around the world of the top things to do in Germany when you visit. For me, it's number 1, but
Well, we have things like Silverstone in the UK, but the price for a track day is more expensive than driving to Germany.
yeah. Oh, really?
Yeah, it's like £1,000 for the
That's some
day.
interesting petrol head economics.
Yeah.
Come to the ring because the trip is cheaper.
Yeah.
You get to see
Even
something
with
else.
fuel, maybe £150 fuel to get here. So
Yeah.
I think you've caught everyone. What's he doing? Oh my god.
At least he's indicating. I
Yeah.
appreciate that. I think that's the EV6 I driven last year of Niels. He did 8 laps yesterday, so but because they installed now a fast charger at the Boulevard, so for EVs it's very good.
Yeah.
No overtaking on the right, so we'll take it. I want to see if it's him.
Oh man, he was fast.
He was, yeah. Oh, amazing.
You look forward to electrification?
To be honest, in a way, yes. Because right now, this will never be replaced.
No, yeah.
But the current ICEs, they're getting choked by OPF emissions,
Yeah,
everything, and
yeah.
in the end, you have just like an engine that wants to perform, but it's not.
Well, even with the ring, like for me to go more than 510,
Yeah.
I have headers at home.
Yeah.
I have a straight pipe,
Yeah,
but I can't put it on because I can't come here then.
yeah,
So unless I book a track day that's private,
yeah. I mean, I've driven the Ioniq 5N, and it can do now 2 full laps on full power,
okay.
and you can do in total probably 4 laps on a full. Oh, but smoky brakes! You can do four laps in the. On a single charge, and with
Yeah.
the fast chargers here, so I think in 5 years we will see some good no, come on, move, we need to cool down the brakes. Probably in 5 years we will see some attainable and very well performing.
You know what, Misha? They know it's you when it comes in with brakes on file.
They will go out. Don't worry about it.
Yeah, no, we'll do a cool down here. So no, amazing. I really enjoyed it.
Oh my god.
Very-
You know, for me, once in a lifetime opportunity, Misha. You know, it's
The driving, like I said, I'm still getting into it, but very good car, fantastic. I mean, the only thing you could improve potentially, well, the brakes for them not to smoke,
yeah.
but they were performing quite good anyway. Suspension could be a bit stiffer because
Yeah,
you have
it's
very
standard
grippy,
suspension,
because you have
yeah.
very grippy tires now for the amount of meat
yeah.
on them. But then after that, if you're gonna do that, you need to replace the seats probably, because they're gonna be probably moving a lot.
yeah.
But it's so good.
It's a daily.
Yeah, and that's why you should keep it as is.
Yeah.
Like you can do an occasional lap, have lots of fun, and that's all you need, really.
It does 15,000 miles a year to work
Yeah.
and everything. And
Amazing, fantastic. Yeah, tire pressure is now 3.2, 3.3. That's
But interesting, engine temperature's fine.
yeah,
Which
yeah.
is-
No, engine temp, I'm not worried. It's usually the oil, but I don't know
Yeah.
if you can.
Yeah,
Can you
you
see
press
it?
back and back.
Let's swap through it.
120s.
It's still okay.
Yeah.
Very good. Very nice. No, fantastic. Thank you so much. I really
Misha.
enjoyed this.
The pleasure's all mine.
Amazing.
Honestly,